Good morning, Team Kadubado. Welcome back to the channel. I am at the airport now. I'm at Delta Terminals. I'm waiting for my flight. I left my house very early at 5 o'clock in the morning because my flight's supposed to be at 7 to be in New York by 10:50. Unfortunately, when I came here, my flight been delayed. So my flight right now is at 9:25 and will be in New York by 12:03, guys. And do you know why I'm traveling? I'm traveling for the Library of Malfetti. I'm going to meet some friends, families, to see if I can get some fund, for the library. And then please, the one who wants to donate for the library in Malfetti, you can go to the website of combitwood.org. There's the Zelle number, so you can send your fund, even if it's $1. Even if it's $1, guys, we need to give those kids the library in October, please. I hope you will go to the combitwood.org to give your participation. So, and at the same time too, I'm going to enjoy myself. You remember I did some videos where I was talking about the halal food. I'm going to show you that. This is a resume I'm doing now. I'm going to show you the halal food, and then I'm going to enjoy some barbecue at the park, celebrate 4th of July with families and friends, and so on and so on. And all those adventures will be on Kadubado. Hopefully you'll like it. So see you soon, guys. A bientôt. Love you. Bye.